Good day viewers, you are welcome to yet another video. We are to find x in this equation. The first thing we have to do here is to collect the like terms. That is, we make x to be on one side. So it means we have to divide both sides by 2 raised to power x. So let's do that. So it means 2 raised to power of x divided by 2 raised to power of x is equal to x squared divided by 2 raised to power of x. This cancels this to give us 1. This will be equal to x squared divided by 2 raised to power of x. Recall that 2 raised to power of x can also be written as exponential to the natural log of 2 raised to power of x. Since this and this are reciprocal, they can cancel out and give us back this. So we have to introduce that to this in order for us to make our equation easier to solve. Now, let's introduce that there. So it means instead of this, we'll be having 1 is equal to x squared divided by. Now, when you have this, mind you, recall that when you have L in 2 raised to power of x, under law of logarithm, this is a power, it should come here. So this is also the same thing as x, L in 2. So it means when you have exponential of L in 2 raised to power of x, you can also write it as exponential. So the x should have come, the exponential of x, L in 2. So let's put that here. So it means this can also be written as this. So exponential of x, L in 2. When this comes up in the law of indices, it means 1 is equal to x squared exponential of minus x, L in 2. To make this easy, let's take y to be equal to this minus x, L in 2. Okay, let's take that as this minus x, L in 2. But before we take it, remember that this is power and this is also power, so they can come together. Now we can say 1 is equal to x exponential, now minus x, L in 2. This will now become the subscript here. Okay, it can be like that. So because you have it that way, you can now say y should represent this as it is. So minus x, L in 2 divided by 2. Okay. We want to make x the subject of the formula here by cross multiplication. 2 comes here, so we have 2y is equal to minus x, L in 2. From there, you find the negative of both sides. So you have minus 2y is equal to x, L in 2. Now, you divide both sides by L in 2. So that this cancels this, we are left with x. So therefore, x is equal to minus 2y, L in 2. So we have represented y with this and also x with this. So let's substitute into here. So anywhere we see this, we put y, and anywhere we see x, we put this. So let's try that out. So it means we have 1 is equal to, now we have this, which is our x, which is represented by this, minus 2y divided by L in 2. Okay. Exponential, all these will be represented by y, exponential y. Now, by cross multiplication, L in 2 comes here. So we have L in 2 is equal to minus 2y exponential y. So checking through this, we can divide both sides by minus 2. So we have divided by minus 2, divided by minus 2. So this one gives us, when minus comes up, it gives us minus L in 2 over 2 is equal to, this cancels this, y exponential y. This makes it easy. Why? Because this, therefore, we can now say this y exponential y is equal to minus L in 2 over 2. We have to use the Lambert W function to solve this, because what Lambert W function says is that, for example, if we have x exponential x and we find the lambda w function, the answer will be this, which will be x. So this is of the format. What we have to do is to just introduce lambda w function to both sides. So we introduce to both sides. So it means we have a lambda w function of y exponential y is equal to w function of minus L into over 2. Okay. Now, since y is equal to minus x L into over 2, as we have it up there, so it means you can substitute that back here. But before we do that, this means this will be y. So it means we have y is equal to w function of minus L into over 2. Once we remember this, we can substitute back here. So it means we now have minus x L into over 2, which is representing y, is equal to w function of minus L into over 2. So what we have to do now is to first of all cross multiply. The 2 comes here, and after that we divide by L into. So by cross multiplication we have minus x L into is equal to 2 w function of minus L into over 2. So to make our x stand alone, we can divide both sides by L into. So it means we divide both sides by L into, so we left with minus x is equal to 2 function w function of minus L into over 2. Since we have divided by L into, this minus have to go to this side. So our answer will now be x is equal to minus 2 w function of minus L into divided by 2 all over L into. So you can use your calculator to get the final answer, because this is the answer. So to get it in figure, you can use your calculator. If you don't know how to do this, you can still make a video on it. You can drop your comment and ask me to do it in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumb up, like it, subscribe to our channel if you are new, share with friends, and press the notification bell. Thank you. See you in another video.